This is the CapCut interface that you see when you sign in. You can see across the top here you've got some template or some project starting points. You can see my recent drafts in the middle here and the templates at the bottom, image and video templates, and we can look at those later. I'm going to switch to my space, and this is where all my work is stored, so click over here. And again, you can see minus the templates, you can create images, create videos, upload your own media, you can look at your drafts, exported videos, materials and trash. Now, the key thing about CapCut is you get 1 gig of free storage. So you're going to need to manage how you organize your files. I've got content up here that I'm currently working on. When I've finished it, I'm going to export it back to my Google Drive or up to YouTube, wherever I want to present that work. And then I'm going to delete all this content because I'm going to manage my space. So you need to make sure that you don't overfill your CapCut allocation, otherwise you won't be able to do any editing.